Hi, myself teacher Pooja, and I am on the right path to achieve success or to become a native English speaker and become a English teacher or public speaker. In my speaking journey, I scroll over the dozen, over the thousands of YouTube channels that matches my expecting expectations of English that I wanted to become influent that like, but I just found my desirable content in foreigners videos that was creating by by United States influencers, or I just found until now United States videos or influencers, but I think in future I will learn from others creators. Those are belongs to some other countries like Africa, South Korea, etc. I don't remember at that time, but teacher Tiffany that belongs to South Africa is a very good English teacher that make you consistent and make you awake for your dream job of being a native English speaker. Because in India we have so many English channels, or we have so many English teachers that are claiming that they will make us a good English speaker, or they will help us in speaking English. But the content they are just creating is about pronunciation, verbs, vocabs, and stories, and etc. and sentences, and we found ourselves feeling stuck like we used to be in our high schools or intermediate. But in foreigners content or foreigner influencer does not make videos in those senses. They make content like vows, and that they made content that brings or made our mind joyous, and it brings our mind blossom, and it just open our mind what should we do or what should not to do while we are learning English, or while we are on learning something what we are trying to do, what we are trying to learn. In India we are just average, but foreigners are just blowing up their content. There are so many content creators in Western countries. They are just blown up. Recently I just watched Ali Abdal's channels, and Ali Abdal's student named Asil Khan and George Alexander I recently watched, and today I watched Natalie Dawson content that is amazing. Mel Robin, is Jay Shetty. So many content creators, they belong, that are belongs to Western cultures, or they represent your countries, countries dream jobs. They are teachers in the real meanings. But in India, we just follow our typical educational system, and the content creators of Indian content creators just making us nowhere else in our study. If we want to watch, or we want to learn something about any topic, there are so many Indian content creators, they are making videos without making any sense. I am just thinking that I name the famous YouTube content creator named Manoj Dubey. I did not any use of his videos, but he's renowned and he earned so much money. But I am not just making, I'm not making someone laugh, laughing or terrible, making terrible feelings, but I'm just concerned about the Indian culture. I am learning English and wa- want become a English speaker since 5 years long or back, but I could not achieve anything. And while I tried to learn things with Indian creators, names in English connections or some other channels, they are just teaching the same method we are used to study in our schools, in, and that is our educational system, that we are failed, we are lacking in speaking of English. Speaking English is the most vulnerable vulnerable or most fearless thing in India, because we never treated by our teachers as an English speaker in our classroom while we are in our high schools or our in our secondary schools. There is a lack in Indian educational system. If we could get some speaking skills in our high schools, why we would facing difficulties in our mid 20s or mid 30s, while we are in our early college days, or while our we are on our first job, or we are facing problems while getting first job, because English is the fear, English is the vulnerable fear we are facing today's. And in India, just say outdated educational system, we should teach at least speaking our students in their high schools or in their secondary schools how to speak professionally, but never. We just sit in the class and they just make us reading, or even though could they did not make us about reading a single word, a chapter, or anything else. In my secondary school, there was a teacher that was using English guides to give us homework from English lessons, and I had so many questions in my mind while there was a poem that create so much questions in my mind, and I just feeling curious and painful about authors and the character that was in the poem, a lady. I just feeling pain in the heart for her, and I remember today, until today, that I asked a question by my teacher, but he could not give me a satisfying answer that will satisfy me. And they said lastly, it is the only poem. And I just feel, okay sir. In my high schools, I was being very shy, and I was very introvert type. I was very drama queen in my friends, and I was very naughty, and I was very talkative in my friend circle. But sometimes I feel introvert myself when it's a matter of public speaking. I remember when I was 10 years old, I do stage shows like Suswagatam or something else, and that was my dream job. But while I went to a secondary school, there was so much students, strength 1200 something, and I feel just getting nervous, and I decided not to compete in the yearly functions. That was my big mistake, not to compete in yearly functions. I should have done, because that could have made me more fluent in public speaking. But no matter how much I was curious about myself, and no matter how much I was wanted become a public speaker, but I could not. And no matter how much I was introvert, because in current days I'm not introvert, but I accept it that I am not a camera facing person, but I am just making myself be familiar with camera while speaking. I am just studying, and I am running out of words in front of the camera while speaking English. But this is not the matter that in Hindi I will not be stuck, or I will not be running out of words. because I tried hard so much earlier in Hindi and I created content, but I feel same distractions. So I decided to create content in English because in one shot I will do two things: to be a native English speaker and to face in camera. Thank you so much.